don't always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be unboxing the item that I picked up from ITEMUNBOX. I know that video caught some flack or whatever, but I still feel like the website is not that bad if you know what you're going in there for. You feel me? Like, you're not about to go in there and expect to win every time, because honestly, that would be unreal. I feel like if I play right now, I might not win. I did get lucky that time. Now, when it came to that video, I did win some human races, but they weren't my size. So I actually went ahead and sold them on the website and traded them for something that I actually wanted, which was this pair of kicks right here. Now, as far as shipping go, I know that these companies catch some flack for it, but my package got here in like 2 to 3 days maximum, which is honestly better than Nike or Adidas nowadays. So that's not bad in my opinion. Now, as you guys may know, in that video, I did open some viral boxes, which are basically just some online mystery boxes where you can get a variety of things. These are authentic, and I want to go ahead and check them out in hand to verify it for myself for you guys. Now, if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click the Gleam link at the top of the description, because I am going to be giving away a Supreme Blessed poster inside the magazine. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So right here, we got our package. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all. I'm excited to get this pair of kicks, because to me, this was one of the best releases from last year. It might not be the most hyped, but it's definitely gonna go down in the books, because you can never go wrong with this sneaker right here. Y'all probably thinking I got another pair of Concords, but y'all got something else coming right now. So right here, we do got a receipt from Viral, so that's not bad. I actually like that they included a receipt. It makes it feel more authentic, you feel me? Hella papers. Then right here, we got our pair of kicks. So far, the box looks legit to me. They got their tag right here, then the regular tag right here. Now, what I do like about this company is that all these items, they actually have in a warehouse. It's not like Mystery Brand where you order it and you just basically wait until they send you this shit. Everything that you win or they have for sale on their website is actually in their company. Like, they actually have it. That's why it takes way less for them to ship the items. That's one plus from this website. I feel like this is way more legit than Mystery Brand as far as the experience I've had so far. So right here, we got the Jordan logo on the top. Some of y'all already know what this is. Right here, we got the kicks. Bruh, this is heat. Oh shit, they're actually StockX verified, so come on, bro. It's 100% legit. You already know how StockX does shit. They do not play around with the legitness. Got that Nike on the bottom, Nike Air on the back. These feel legit, so I already know, like, you can basically tell when Jordans aren't legit. The stitching on these is on point. Elephant print is on point. Got the StockX verified tag. Y'all already know how that goes. Got everything on here. So these shits are dope. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other shoe out just to double check. We also do have a StockX sticker, so you already know they not playing with the shits. I don't know, so far, but it's looking legit to me. So right here, we got both shoes. Bang, side profile. Spin them around for y'all. These shits are 100% legit. They definitely smell like brand new Jordans to me. Yeah, these shits smell brand new out the box. You already know how Jordans smell when they come out the box. It's kind of like that new shoe smell. You already know how it go. But right here, we got the black cements. These shits are hard, bruh. Gotta come clean. These shits are well needed. I definitely had to get these, and I'm glad that they hit me up to work together, because hey, come on, bro, these shits are hard. And it's kind of like the first fruit of my labor. I mean, I've gotten things sent to me, but this is kind of like the first video I actually get something for, like, you feel me? Definitely looking forward to rocking these. And I just picked up another pair of this same model, which I will be unboxing soon, but super clean close up right there. I might throw these on feet for you guys. I honestly don't know yet, because I gotta lace them. 100% legit. As far as they go, bro, I don't know. Like, I don't understand why they catch so much flack. It's kind of like a game. If you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. As far as them shipping out the stuff, there's no issue right here. Like, I actually ordered these because I traded the other ones, like I said before, and they got here like in 2 to 3 days. They do have a warehouse where they stock all their inventory, so that's probably why it's quicker, like I said previously. But hey, these shits are hard. StockX verified, so you know they're legit. legit. They had these in the warehouse, so they sent them out in 2 to 3 days. It's way quicker, and honestly, they look 100% good. And don't get it twisted, these are the ones that I ordered. They didn't send me the human races because I switched them for this, which is honestly iconic. Like, come on, bro. I'd rather have these 25 times before those, but verified, brand new kicks. You already know how we coming. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought down below. It's legit to me, bro. It's 100% legit to me. I feel like you could win, you could lose, but if you want to go ahead and try it out, it's gonna be at the top of the description. Just make sure you're over 18 before going on their website. You can't just be out here spending your parents' money. That shit ain't cool. And hey, if you got spare money that you don't mind spending, you could go on there, but just know that you might win, you might lose. That's just how it goes in life, period. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Shit's hard. Come on, StockX, verify me. You dig.
Hey, but I can afford to go break. I've been through worse, I can brace. She gave me shit every day. We would just argue. I'm sick of this shit every day. I deal with your face every day. I'm thinking about moving away. I was 15, a little jit thing, but I was roaming around through the east. Hey, talking calm when we on the phone, but it's something wrong when we link. And I just down the bottle, I'ma kill the pain. We're just moving on while I fade away. This paranoia don't kill me. Driving me insane, do you feel me? And I apologize if I'm off. Getting sick and tired of these four walls. Everything you told the kid, it was false. Starting to think that you never loved me at all. Never taking L's, I'm calling the draw.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.